I am repeating the keywords. Please don't off your videos. Yes. Keywords again you see once again. Everyone. Water. W-A-T-E-R. Water. Cooking. C-O-O-K-I-N-G. Cooking. Next. Cleaning. Suryansh. Are you listening? Suryansh. Yes. Yeah. Cleaning, C-L-E-A-N-I-N-G, cleaning. Bathing, B-A-T-H-I-N-G, bathing. Drinking, D-R-K-I-N-G, drinking. Next, washing, W-A-S-H-I-N-G, washing. Utensils, U-T-E-N-S-I-L-S, utensils. Vehicles, V-E-H-I-C-L-E-S, vehicles. Fruits, F-R-U-I-T-S, fruits. Vegetables, V-E-G-E-T-A-B-L-E-S, vegetables. So these are the keywords which I gave you yesterday. So now coming to the topic. So if you know the keywords, you can understand the topic very easily, because these are all the keywords which are related to water. So water is useful for us in these many ways. Yes, the first one is water. No, water is used for cooking, cleaning, bathing, drinking, washing clothes, cleaning utensils, cleaning vehicles. Yes, then cleaning fruits and vegetables. You wash the fruits and vegetables and you cook the food. So these are the different ways where you learn the keywords, and water is related to all these keywords. So yesterday I gave you these keywords and I told to write 3 times. Only some of the children wrote and they shared me. Why remaining children did not share me? Please children, you have to write the keywords 3 times and share that picture to me. Those who did not share, today you can share. Now, coming to the lesson. All living things need water. Yes? All living things need water. Why? Because all the living things also, not only human beings, means not only we are called human beings. Not only human beings, but all the living things like plants and animals also need water. Plants also need water and animals also need water. See, plants need water because they should stay alive. If you not give water for the plants, what happen? The plant will die. After some days, the plant will die. If there is no water, the animals cannot survive. They also die. So all the living things. So what are the living things on this earth? Plants, animals and human beings. We are called living things. Yes, so all the living things need this water. Plants need water, animals need water, and human beings also need water. So you need plants need water. If you not give water for plants continuously, the plant will die. Whatever the plant it may be, so it will die. Suppose if you are having plants in your home, so water them regularly, give them water regularly. And animals also, I think most of you have pet animals. If you have pet animals also, you have to give them water. And the animals living in the forest, so they go and drink water in the ponds, lakes and nearby rivers. So animals also need water. Next, we must drink plenty of water daily, every day. All of you and all your, like, not only children, elders, everyone, all of us, we have to drink plenty of water, because water helps in digestion process. So whatever the food we are eating daily, so if we drink water, that food we ate will get digested. So if you don't drink water, what happens? The food will not get digested properly and you feel some problems in your stomach, like stomach pain. Yes, so that's the reason you have to drink plenty of water. So this plenty of water will help in digestion of your food. Next, we need water for different purposes. What are the different purposes? Manha, Manha, sit properly. So we need water for different purposes. You are not listening, Manha. I am watching you. Sit properly. We need water for different purposes. What are the different purposes? See here. Water is used for drinking. Yes, bathing, washing and cleaning. Yes, cleaning vehicles, plants and animals, and cooking. So water is used for different purposes like this. See that green color one? Cooking. Yellow color one? Drinking. And the red color circle is bathing. Then purple color? Washing and cleaning. Then brown color? Vehicles. Orange color? Plants and animals. So these are the different ways where water is useful in many ways. So not only this, there are so many other ways where water is used. So what are that other ways? Let us see. Number one, we need water to stay healthy. We means we, human beings. We need water to stay healthy. We need nearly 8 to 10 glasses of water daily. So we have to drink nearly 8 to 10 glasses of water daily because water helps in the digestion process. And yesterday I told you, no, like how you have to take water, in what time you should take water. So what is the right time? Yes, drinking water at correct time or right time is very very important. Like 2 glasses of water of after waking up. So morning when you wake up, you have to drink 2 glasses of water. So what happens if you drink 2 glasses of water in the morning? This help to activate your internal organs inside the body, the internal organs which are present, no, stomach, kidney, liver. So all these internal organs will activate. Next, 1 glass of water before a meal, means before eating. So before eating, 1 glass of water, 30 minutes. I said no yesterday, like before eating. So suppose if you are taking your lunch at 12:30, you have to drink a glass of water at 12 o'clock. So this helps in the digestion process. Next, 1 glass of water before taking a bath. So when you take bath, so before taking a bath, if you take 1 glass of water, will lower the blood pressure. Next, 1 glass of water before going to bed. You have to take before going to bed while sleeping. You go to bed no night time to sleep. So at that time you have to take 1 glass of water. Next, what are the different ways you use water? See here. We brush our teeth and we take bath with water. So morning, in the morning you brush your teeth. So if there is no water, how can you brush your teeth? So in the morning you brush your teeth, yes or no? So if there is no water, how can you brush? No, highly impossible. So you need water to brush, and after brushing what you do? You clean your mouth. So water is useful for that. Next, to take bath. You have to take bath. So water is useful. You need water to take a bath. Next, you use water for cooking and cleaning raw fruits and vegetables. So water is compulsory used for cooking. Yes, to cook rice, to cook vegetables, water is useful. Next, to clean the fruits and vegetables. You should not eat directly without cleaning. You have to wash the fruits and vegetables before eating. You have to clean them. Next, to wash clothes, you need water. So daily, I think your mother or you, if any servant is there in your house, they clean your clothes. No. So can you be if there is, if the clothes are not washed for so many days, yes, can you use it? No, you can't use it. You have to clean, you have to wash the clothes and you have to wear it. So dirty clothes or before days clothes you will not use, yes or no? So you use water for washing clothes. Next, you use water to keep our house clean and to wash our utensils. Yes, you can see here the picture. Yes, before someone asked, no, what are utensils? So this is the picture. You can see the utensils picture here. So you use water to clean the utensils, means plates, bowls, glasses. What are the different items which you use in the kitchen? So these are called as utensils. So you clean them. Not only utensils, even you clean your house outside. Yes, in the garden outside, or your parking place will be there. No, so they also you need water, so that you have to clean it. Next, we clean our vehicles. Yes, we clean our vehicles with the water. Either if you have a four-wheeler or two-wheeler. Yes, yes, either it is a bike or a scooty or a car or anything. So you clean it with the help of water only. You use water to clean it. Not only this, water is also used by the farmers, because farmers grow different types of crops. So where do we get food from? Where do we get food from? Yes. Where do we get food from? So I want to ask this question. Next, who will tell this answer? Where do we get food from? Yes, Ayan. Ayan, anyone?
Plants.
Reliance. Okay, very good. You get food from Reliance. Okay. So in Reliance, how you are getting?
How means it is plant now, ma'am.
Who? What is plant? Okay, you are going to Reliance. Some people are going to D-Mart, some people are going to Walmart, or some people you are going for any other big supermarket and you are bringing. Okay, from there you are bringing. Okay, it's correct. But how do that shops get? So from where do the Reliance people will get? Where do D-Mart people will get? Where do the Walmart people will get? Who will tell this answer? Yes, Siddharth. From where?
Farmers,
Yes, 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 yes. Say the answer once again, Siddharth.
farmers, ma'am.
Yeah, farmers. Yes. So actually, farmer is a person. He grows crops. He cultivates the land. He grow the crops. He does agriculture. So in this agriculture process, what he do, farmer? He grow different types of crops like rice, wheat, maize, jowar, barley,
Different
bajra.
crops.
Yeah, and different types of pulses like green gram, red gram, Bengal gram. So different types of fruits, vegetables. So all the farmers will grow different types of, yes, crops. One farmer will not grow only one crop. Different farmers. There are so many farmers in our country. So all the farmers, they grow different types of crops. Like some farmers grow rice, some farmers will grow fruits, some will grow vegetables, some will grow pulses, some will grow what is this, cereals. Some farmers will grow spices. You know spices we use to make fried rice, biryanis. So they are called as spices. So like this, different types of crops are grown by different types of farmers. So what do these farmers do? They, yes, they sell to the this shopkeepers like Reliance shop, next D-Mart or Walmart or big supermarkets. They sell. So from there we get. So actually farmers are growing the crops. Yes, from farmers the shopkeepers will take, and from the shopkeepers we will take. This is the process. Is it okay, clear everyone? Yes? Did you understand up to here? Shall I continue the topic? If anyone has any doubts, you can answer. Sorry, you can ask the question. Rohit Chowdhury, what is your doubt? Rohit,
Ma'am,
yes, Rohit,
farm. Yes, so ma'am.
yeah. What is it?
Farmer give me us na.
Yes, that is a question. Okay, Yama. Farmers gives us different type, means they grow different types of crops. So from the farmers, the shopkeepers will take. Yes, Sai Ritvik Reddy, what is your doubt? Sai Ritvik,
Tell me answer.
what answer? What answer you want, Sai Ritvik?
I want to tell the answer.
Okay, tell the answer, please. Sai Ritvik, tell the answer. What you want to tell? Tell. Speak.
Farmer means
Farmer means the person who grow crops, who does agriculture, who cultivate the land. He is called as farmer. Farmers are the backbone of our country. Do you have backbones, everyone? Is there any person those who don't have backbone? Yes, I'm asking question for everyone. Do you have backbones? Yes or
yes,
no? Please show your thumb like this. If you
yes,
have backbone,
ma'am.
show like this. If you don't have, show like this.
Yes, ma'am. We have.
You have backbone?
Yes,
Yeah,
ma'am.
where it is present? Where it is present?
Backside.
Very good. Back side of your, yes, here spinal cord. So here your backbone will be present. Do you know one thing? Without backbone, we can't stand like this erect. If there is no backbone, we can't stand. We have to crawl like snakes. Yes, backbone is very important for a person to stand, to walk, to run. Same way, farmers are the backbone for our country. Farmer means a person who grow crops. He don't have other job. Farmer will do only that job. Only he will grow crops. Only he will cultivate the land. He will grow different types of crops. Farmer is a main person in this country. Not only in this country, any country. Farmer is a main person. Without farmer, there is no food for us. He will give all type of food for us. He will give crops, he will give fruits, he will give vegetables, he will give rice, he will give wheat, he will give different types of pulses, cereals, fruits, vegetables, spices, everything. So farmer only will grow all these things, and from the farmers, directly or indirectly, we are purchasing. Directly means if you go to a farmer and if you ask, he will give you rice. Otherwise, if you don't want to go directly, you can go to the shops like Reliance, D-Mart. These are all different types of shops where you get all these food products. So directly or indirectly, we are getting food from the farmer. Farmer is the main person who cultivates the lands, who grow the crops, and he provide everything for us, food. Yes, all the different types of food, pulses, cereals, fruits, vegetables, spices, oil, everything farmer only will cultivate, he will give. So from the farmer, this